Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we discussed up to question number 58. Now we will start with question number 59. So before starting question number 59, 1, 2, 3 formulas we are using in logarithms. The concepts we are using here. So in logarithms, first, if the expression is given a power x is equal to b, then we can write x is equal to log b base a. So in this case, logarithm expression will come. Here we have formula log of ab is equal to log a plus log b. Next, third one, log of a by b equals to log a minus log b. Fourth one, log a base b. It can be written as log a by log b. Next, fifth one, log a base a, this value is 1. And sixth, log x is defined for x value is greater than 0. For negative values it is not possible, for 0 also not defined. So we are using these concepts in the problems. In first question, question number 59. In question number 59, they given log sin x base 0.5 is equal to 1 minus log cos x base 0.5. Then the number of values and x belongs to closed bracket minus 2 pi comma 2 pi. You send this negative term to the left side, becomes positive. Log sin x base 0.5 plus log cos x base 0.5 is equal to 1. It is in the form of log a plus log b. I can write log ab. Then I can write log sin x into cos x base 0.5, that equals to 1. Okay. Now this can be written as, according to this formula, log a base b, I can write log a by log b, then log sin x cos x by log, this 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. That equals to 1. Now if you cross multiply, log sin x cos x is equal to log 1 by 2. So both sides log gets cancelled. You will get sin x into cos x is equal to 1 by 2. If you cross multiply, you will get 2 sin x into cos x is equal to 1. 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x equals to 1. So if sin 2x equals to 1, we can write 2x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into, when sin value 1, that is pi by 2. So from this x we can write n pi by 2 plus minus 1 power 4 minus 1 power n pi by 4. First, I am substituting n value 0. That implies you will get x is pi by 4 because anything power 0 that becomes 1. Next, I am substituting n value 1. That implies x equals to pi by 2 minus 1 power 1, that is minus 1, pi by 2 minus pi by 4, again you will get pi by 4. So this is repeated, that's why don't take this. Next, n equals to 2 I am substituting. Then x is equal to 2 pi by 2, that is nothing but pi plus minus 1 square, 1 plus pi by 4. Then we can write x is equal to 3 pi by 4. So 5 pi by 4. Next you take some negative values also. So I am substituting n equals to minus 1. Take it. Then minus 1 means minus pi by 2. Minus 1 whole power minus 1, that is minus 1 only. Now you will get pi by 2 minus 1 whole power minus 1. This can be written as 1 by minus 1. That is nothing but minus only. Now if you simplify, 4 is LCM, minus 2 pi minus pi minus 3 pi by 4 you will get. Next, if you substitute minus 2, again same repeated we will get. That's why I am substituting n equals to minus 3. You substitute here, that implies x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2 minus 1 whole cube minus pi by 4. If you take LCM, again 4 LCM, 2 minus 6 pi minus pi minus 7 pi by 4. That's it. So pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 4, minus 7 by 4. Totally 4 solutions exist for this. That is nothing but option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 60. In question number 60, they given sin 2x, cos 2x, cos 4x. Sin 2x, cos 2x, cos 4x is equal to gamma has a solution. Then gamma lies in which interval? Simple question. Both sides multiply with 2. You can write 2 sin 2x cos 2x into cos 4x is equal to 2 gamma. So this can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta sin 2 into 2x, that is nothing but sin 4x cos 4x is equal to 2 gamma. Again you multiply both sides with 2. 2 sin 4x cos 4x is equal to 4 gamma. Again it is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, then sin 8x is equal to 4 gamma. We know that sin 8x is lies between, sin range is minus 1 to 1. So in place of sin 8x you substitute minus 4 gamma, then 4 gamma less than or equals to 1. Divide the equation with 4, minus 1 by 4 less than or equals to gamma less than or equals to 1 by 4. If equal to is there, we are writing closed bracket. If equal to is not there, we are writing open bracket. So if equal to means this value also included, that's why we can write gamma belongs to closed bracket minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4 is answer for this question number 60. That is nothing but option B is a correct answer. Next, 61 question is repeated. Already this question we discussed in question number 51. Both are same questions only. 1 second, that is given. So next, question number 62. The number of possible integral values of p so that the equation 2 cos square x minus p plus 3 into cos x plus 2 into p minus 1 equals to 0. So it possesses a real solution. It is a quadratic equation in cos. Then a value 2, b value minus of p plus 3, c value 2p minus 2. Now I am applying formula cos x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now cos x is equal to minus of this minus becomes plus p plus 3 plus or minus under root of b square, square of this p plus 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2 just 4. Now cos x is equal to p plus 3 plus or minus, this can be written as p square plus 9 plus 6p minus 8 into 2p 16p minus of minus plus 8 2 just 16 by 4. Now cos x is equal to p plus 3 plus or minus, this can be written as p square minus 10p plus 25 by 4. This can be written as a minus b whole square, p minus 5 whole square, then p plus 3 plus or minus p minus 5. Actually whole square will come, square and root gets cancelled. So in this plus or minus, first I am taking plus. That option is not given, I will go with minus. Then cos x, see if you take minus, actually p value will not get, that's why obviously I am taking plus 1. Now from this 2p minus 2 by 4, if you take 2 common in the numerator, p minus 1 by 2. Again we know the range of cos. We know that the cos x is plus minus 1 plus. So now minus 1 less than or equals to p minus 1 by 2 less than or equals to 1. If you multiply with 2, minus 2 less than or equals to p minus 1 less than or equals to 2. Adding 1, minus 1 less than or equals to p less than or equals to 3. Here we required how many integral values of p, means how many integers are exist. The integers are minus 1 included, 0 included, 1 included, 2 included, 3 included. Totally the number of integral values of p is total 5 integral values are possible. That is nothing but option B is a correct answer. Next we will discuss 63. In 63 question, listen, the sum of roots of the equation sin square theta is equal to k, and k value lies between 0 to 1 and lying in the interval theta 0 to 2 pi, equal to the sum of angles of n-sided regular polygon. Okay, first of all, if sin square theta equals to k means how many roots will get? Roots are, first quadrant I am taking generally theta, next I am taking pi minus theta, second quadrant, next I will take pi plus theta also, because negative will get but square is there, you can positive, and as well as I am taking 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus means fourth quadrant negative, if you square again positive. Total you will get how many roots? 4 roots. I need sum of roots. Now here theta cancel, 2 pi, that is 4 pi. But in the question, the given condition, the sum of roots is equal to the sum of angles. Given sum of roots is equal to sum of angles of n-sided regular polygon. You need to remember this formula. The formula for sum of angles of n-sided regular polygon is n minus 2 into pi, and sum of roots we got pi. Pi gets cancelled, then n is equal to 6 is the answer for question number 63. That is nothing but option A is the correct answer. Next question. (64). The number of solutions of the equation cos 2x minus 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 1 by cot 2x minus cot x into sin x minus pi. In this question, they given the angles are 0 to 4 pi. So how many solutions are exist for this? See, listen. So this cos 2x I can write 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 3 cos x plus 1 gets cancelled. So this expression I am taking equation 1 total. Okay. Now simplify the RHS. 1 by this cot can be written as cos by sin. Cos by sin. Here also cot x can be written as cos by sin into. So if you take minus common, you can write this is sin pi minus x. Minus I wrote on the numerator. Now 2 cos square x minus 3 cos x is equal to minus 1 by, I will take LCM here, sin 2x into sin x. If you cross multiply cos 2x into sin x minus sin 2x into cos x sin 180 minus theta, that is nothing but sin theta. Now sin x gets cancelled. Now that equals 2 cos square x minus 3 cos x. You send sin 2x to numerator minus sin 2x I can write 2 sin x cos x. At a time I am writing. It will go to numerator. Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. Here if you take minus common, this value will comes first, this value will comes next. Now you can write sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, that is nothing but sin of a minus b. Now 2 cos square x minus 3 cos x is equal to 2 sin x cos x by denominator is sin x. Again sin x cancel. Now right side 2 cos x, if you send to that side minus 2 cos x will get. Then 2 cos square x minus 3 cos x minus 2 cos x minus 5 cos x will get. So I will take cos x common. 2 cos x minus 5 is equal to 0. From this you will get cos x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 5 by 2. This is not possible because this value is 2.5, cos range is minus 1 to 1 only. If you take cos, for which values cos you will get 0? Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. Next 9 pi by 2 will get, but 9 pi by 2 is not in the range. Totally we have 4 values, but if you substitute x value in equation 1. In equation 1 denominator, cot function is there. Cot 2 into pi by 2, 2 gets cancelled, cot pi, you will get infinity. That's why these 4 are not satisfying. Therefore, no solution exists. If you satisfy these 4, here will get undefined value. That's why no solution. Therefore, the number of possible solutions for this is 0. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, question number 65. The number of solutions of the equation under root of 13 minus 18 tan x is equal to 6 tan x minus 3, where x lies between minus 362 plus 360. Already yesterday also this model question we got, when the root is given, first squaring on both sides. Now root gets cancelled. 13 minus 18 tan x. This is a minus b whole square. Directly I am writing a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 6 just 12, 12 3 just 36 tan x. If you send this value to the right side, now the equation 36 tan square x minus 36 plus 18, that is nothing but minus 18 tan x. Now 9 minus 13, that is minus 4. So I will take 2 common in this. 18 tan square x minus 9 tan x minus 2 equals to 0. Factorize. So here 18 2 just 36, 3 12 just 36. That's why this can be written as 18 tan square x minus 12 tan x plus 3 tan x. Minus 12 plus 3 minus 9, minus 12 into 3 minus 36 minus 2 equals to 0. Now I am taking this is also equation 1. Okay, now I can take 6 tan x common, 3 tan x minus 2 plus 1 common, 3 tan x minus 2. Again we will take 3 tan x minus 2 common, 6 tan x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from this we will get tan x is 2 by 3, tan x is minus 1 by 6. But if you substitute this tan x in equation 1, LHS, RHS both are not equal. So this one not satisfies given condition. If this is not satisfying given condition, obviously what is answer? Tan x is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is positive. So, but here they given minus 2 pi 2 plus 2 pi. So, I will get generally x is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. Obviously, we will get one value. Next here tan is positive in which quadrant? Third quadrant. That's why I can write pi plus tan inverse of 2 by 3 you will get. So 2. Next here one more I am taking tan inverse of 2 by 3 minus pi I am taking. If you take minus common, pi minus you will get. Pi minus means 180 minus. 180 minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant negative. Already one more negative is there. Total you will get positive. So this is third one. And next I am taking tan inverse of 2 by 3 minus 2 pi I am taking. Totally you will get 4 solutions for this question number 65. That is nothing but option C is a correct answer. Next 66. The number of solutions of the equation log tan theta base 5 is equal to log 4 base 5 into log 3 sin theta base 4 and the given interval 0 to 8 pi. Already we discussed starting log a base b. I can write log tan theta by log 5. This is log 4 by log 5. This is log 3 sin theta by log 4. So log 4 cancel, 5 cancel, log cancel. What you will get finally? Tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta you will get. Now this can be written as sin by cos. That equals to 3 sin theta. Now here sin theta equals to 3 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta common, or you can cancel also, no problem. 1 minus 3 cos theta equals to 0. From this sin theta is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 1 by 3. Sin theta equals to 0 not satisfied, because if sin theta equals to 0, theta equals to 0, you will get log function not exist for 0. That's why don't take sin theta equals to 0. Now here cos theta equals to 1 by 3 and this positive means theta belongs to the first quadrant actually. First quadrant means, but here 0 to 8 pi if you take 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Here you will get 1. Next 4 pi. Here you will get 1. 6 pi. Here you will get 1. But don't take 8 pi. Because if you take 8 pi, this is 8 pi plus. 8 pi plus means more than 8 pi. But here this is up to 8 pi. So 0 plus, 2 pi plus, 4 pi plus, 6 pi plus. Totally how many solutions? The number of solutions exist is totally 4 solutions exist for this. That is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Next 67. If n1 denotes the maximum number of roots of sin theta equals to k1. In place of k1, if you take which value, you will get maximum root. If sin theta equals to 0 I am taking, then we will get maximum roots. Why? Because the roots are 0, pi, 2 pi, totally 3 you will get. So this indicates n1. Similarly, second expression, cos theta is equal to k2. So here also 0 to 2 pi. Now I am taking, if cos theta is equal to, I am taking plus 1. You can take minus 1 also, you will get 2. Plus 1 also 2 roots, minus 1 also 2 roots. So I am taking plus 1. Then we will get maximum roots. So theta equals to cos 0. Again 1 for what? 2 pi. Now here n2 equals to 2. Here you can take minus 1 or you can take 0 also, no problem. But we require n1 plus n2. 3 plus 2, that is 5 is the answer for this question. That is nothing but option A. Next 68, simple question. They given the general solution of tan 5x minus tan 4x by 1 plus tan 5x tan 4x is equal to 1. That's it. Okay. So it is in the form of tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So this can be written as tan of a minus b is equal to 1. Now tan x is equal to tan 45. Then general solution, x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. This is a answer. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, for 69. In 69 question, which of the following equations has no solution? See, I am taking option C. Why? Because in option C the condition cosecant theta secant theta is equal to 1. This is not having solution. Why? Because cosecant can be written as 1 by sine. This is 1 by cos. That is equal to 1. Cross multiply, 1 is equal to sin theta into cos theta. If you multiply with 2, 2 equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, there is nothing but sin 2 theta equals to 2. It is not possible because the maximum value of sin is 1. Therefore, this is not having solution. Therefore, option C is a correct answer. Next, question number 70. A is irrational number. A is irrational number. Then the number of real roots of the equation 1 plus sin square ax is equal to cos x. So we need to find the number of real roots. Okay. See, this value is positive or 0. So this is 1, means clearly LHS value is either 1 or more than 1. So LHS means cos x, because equal to given RHS both are same. But in this we are not taking greater than 1, because cos having maximum value 1. So here greater than condition does not exist. That's why what we will take. Therefore I am taking cos x is equal to 1. So here if you substitute, we will get from equation 1 plus sin square ax is equal to 1. Now you will get sin square ax is equal to 0. That implies sin ax is equal to 0. Then ax is equal to n pi. But here a is irrational. If you substitute any irrational number, this is not satisfying. Therefore, no roots are possible. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer for question number 70. Next, 71. Okay, in 71 question, the number of solutions of the inequality 2 power 1 by sin square x2 into 3 power 1 by sin square x3 and so on n power 1 by sin square xn. This value is less than or equals to n factorial, then the number of solutions. See, this can be written as 2 power 1 by, I am writing directly, cosecant square x2, because 1 by sin square, that is nothing but cosecant square. 3 power cosecant square x3 plus and so on n power cosecant square x less than or equals. This n factorial I can write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into and so on n. N factorial meaning is 1 into 2 into n. 3 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 like that. Now you send this total values to the left side. Then I can write 2 cosecant square x2 by 2. Okay, next 3 cosecant square x3 by 3 like that. N cosecant square n power cosecant square xn by n less than or equals to 1, because this 2 3 all comes to left side. Here power is cosecant square, here power is 1. This 1 we take to numerator becomes minus 1, that is nothing but 2 power cosecant square x2 minus 1. 3 power cosecant square x3 minus 1. Here power 1 is there, plus 1 go to numerator becomes minus 1 and so on. N power cosecant square xn minus 1 less than equals to 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1, that is nothing but cot square theta. Now 2 power cot square x2 into 3 power cot square x3 and so on. N power cot square xn less than or equals to 1. Now apply log. On both sides. Okay, now log 2 power cot square x2 log 3 power directly 2 power cot square x2 3 power cot square x3 and so on. N power cot square xn is less than or equals to log 1. Already log 1 value is 0. So I already discussed log AB formula, log A plus log B. If 3 is there, log A plus log B plus log C. Here n is there. That's why I can write log 2 power cot square x2 plus log 3 power cot square x3 plus will get and so on plus log n power cot square xn less than or equals to log 1 value is 0. In log of a power x I can write x log a. What is the value which is present in power? That value comes first. Here power, what is the value? Cot square x2. Cot square x2 log 2 plus cot square x3 log 3 plus and so on cot square xn log n less than or equals to 0. See here it satisfies two conditions. One is less than, one is equal to. Here I am taking equal to. For equal to, these values are non-zero. Log 2 value, log 3 value, these are non-zero. Obviously, these are non-zero means which values are 0? Therefore, I can write cot square x2 is equal to cot square x3 is equal to and so on cot square xn is equal to 0. Then we can write x2 is equal to x3 is equal to and so on xn. For which values you will get cot is 0. Cot 90 will be 0. Therefore, pi by 2 you will get. 3 pi by 2 you will get. 5 pi by 2 you will get. 7 pi by 2 you will get. See in the question, they given the total how many solution. See, for each one we will get how many solution? For x2 these two are possible, this is possible, this is possible, this is possible. Therefore, number of solution is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. For each value you will get total 4 solution. This type of 4, how many are there? 4 power n minus 1 total, because here we are not considering for 1 power, we are considering for 2 power. So the total number of values is n minus 1. That's why this 4 into 4 into 4 into, you will get how many times? N minus 1 times you will get. So this is the product of the solutions for this question. That is nothing but option B is a correct answer. Next, last question in this exercise. 72. The most general solution of 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x is equal to 2 power 1 minus 1 by root 2, and n belongs to z. See here, I am taking, let the numbers are 2 power sin x, second one is 2 power cos x, one is A, one is B. We know that arithmetic mean always greater than or equals to geometric mean. Arithmetic mean formula A plus B by 2, geometric mean formula root A. This is A, this is B. Substitute. 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x by 2 is greater than or equals to under root of, we need to product, bases are same, power should be added. Now 2 power sin x plus cos x, you cross multiply this. 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x is greater than or equals to 2 into under root of 2 power sin x plus cos x. We know that minimum value of sin x plus, because here greater than or equals to is there, is minus root 2, and maximum value is plus root 2. I am substituting this one. 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x is greater than or equals to 2 into 2 power, the minimum value of sin plus cos is minus root 2. Now simplify. 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x is greater than or equals to, that is power 1, this is minus 1 by root 2, then you will get 1 minus 1 by root 2 you will get. But given condition, given equation is 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x is equal to 2 power 1 minus 1 by root 2. To satisfy this, I am taking equal to here. Now that implies I can write 2 power sin x is equal to 2 power cos x is equal to, I am taking 2 power minus 1 by root 2. Why? Because you substitute here 2 power minus 1 by root 2 plus 2 power minus 1 by root 2. So this value is repeated how many times? 2 times. That is nothing but 2 into 2 power minus 1 by root 2. Here base is same, power should be added. Here power is 1, here power is minus 1 by root 2, 1 minus 1 by root 2 you will get. Now I can take these values. So from this directly I can write sin x cos x is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Then I can write x is equal to 5 pi by 4. But in answer they given the general solution of cos. Therefore general solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 5 pi by 4, where n belongs to z. But in option they given plus is given in this 72, that is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Okay, listen. So exercise over. In previous year questions archives we have 4 questions. First 2 questions you practice, easy questions only. Third and fourth are the previous JEE questions. So I will explain third and fourth. First two are easy questions only, you can solve. See third question. The number of real values of x which satisfy the equation cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x is equal to 0. Here the given condition 0 less than or equals to x less than 2 pi. Okay, so first here I am taking 4x and 2x I am taking. Next I am taking cos 3x plus cos x. It is in the form of cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x. Cos c minus d by 2, 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2, that is nothing but x. Here 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus x, 4x by 2. Cos c minus d by 2, 3x minus x, 2x by 2. Now I can take 2 cos x common. What will get? Cos 3x plus cos 2x is equal to 0. Now 2 cos x into, again you apply formula cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus 2x, 5x by 2. Cos c minus d by 2, 3x minus 2x, x by 2 equals to 0. You send this 4 that side becomes 0. Now you will get condition cos x is equal to 0 over r. Cos 5x by 2 is equal to 0 over r. Cos x by 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now for this x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. For this 5x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. Now I can write x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 5. Now here over r, x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Cancel, you will get x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi. Now substitute one by one. But in this question, total we need to find the number of values of x. Okay. Now if you take n value 0, n value 0 means in first condition if you substitute n value 0, you will get x is pi by 2. In second condition if you substitute n value 0 means x is pi by 5. In third condition if you substitute n value 0 then x is pi. Okay. Next n value 1. Substitute in the first one 3 pi by 2. Next 3 pi by 5. 3 pi you will get, but 3 pi is not in that range because they given 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi. Below 2 pi only we need to take. Next n value 2. So 2 just 4, 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 2. This is also not possible. Next 2 just 4, 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 5, that is nothing but pi is repeated, don't take. Next we will check here n value 2 just 4 plus 1, that is 5 pi. 5 pi also not possible. I will go with n equals to 3. Now 2 3 just 6, 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 2. This is also not possible. 2 3 just 6, 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 5. Yes, it is considerable. Next, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 pi. Now totally we got 6 values. I will take one more. 4, 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 2. This is also not possible. 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 5. Possible. 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 pi is not possible. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total you will get 7 solutions. That is nothing but option B is a correct answer. This is given JEE 2018 and previous question 2016 they asked. The sum of all solutions of the equation 8 cos x into cos pi by 6 plus x into cos pi by 6 minus x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1, and they are given 0 to pi. The sum of all solutions they are given k pi, we need to find the value of k. Okay. First I will simplify this. 8 cos x into, it is in the form of cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b minus 1 by 2 equals to 1. Now 8 cos x into cos 30 value root 3 by 2 whole square 3 by 4 minus sin square x minus 1 by 2, that equals to 1. Now I will simplify. 8 cos x, this 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, LCM 4, 3 minus 2, 1 by 4 you will get, minus sin square x is equal to 1. Again I am converting the sin square into in terms of cos. Now 8 cos x into 1 by 4 minus sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Now 8 cos x into 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 plus cos square x equals to 1. Now 8 cos x into, you will take LCM, 4 is a LCM, minus 3 plus 4 cos square x is equal to 1. You send 8 this side, it becomes 1 by 8. Now multiply 4 cos square into x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is equal to 4 by 8. This is formula for cos 3x, 1 by 2. 3x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus, when cos value 1 by 2, 60, that is nothing but pi by 3. Now x equals to 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 9. This is general solution. Or you can find directly 1 by 2 also, okay. See, without writing general solution I am taking 3x is equal to 1 by 2, that is nothing but pi by 3. Cos is positive in which quadrant? First quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. 2 pi minus pi by 3 also will get. What will get? 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 3. And as well as 2 pi plus also will get. 3 into 2 pi, 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 3. Now you send 3 this side, pi by 9, 5 pi by 9, 7 pi by 9. But given sum of these solutions is k pi. 7 pi, 5 pi, pi, now 13 pi by 9 equals to k pi. Pi gets cancelled, k value 13 by 9, you will get 13 by 9 means option C is a correct answer. So you complete the notes of trigonometric equations. Again, please you write the competitive in separate book only. So first competitive chapters trigonometry, ratios and functions, identities, and second one is trigonometric equations. Next session onwards I will start heights and distance and properties of triangle. These two concepts are not there in PU, but JE these are important. I will start with synopsis in the next session. You complete the notes for trigonometric equations.